Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for daily body hacks. If you're looking to transform your physique and boost your overall health, you've come to the right place. Today, we're unveiling 5 simple yet incredibly effective exercises every man should incorporate into his daily routine for remarkable results in just 4 weeks. Stay tuned until the end for a comprehensive guide that could change your life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our newest videos. Ready to redefine your fitness journey? Let's jump right in. Exercise 1. Squats. Let's start with squats, the foundational exercise that targets the core muscle groups of your body. By incorporating squats into your daily regimen, you're signing up for increased strength, endurance, and significant muscle mass enhancement. This powerhouse exercise activates your quadriceps, gluteal muscles, thigh adductors, and soleus muscles, with additional support from your spine's extensors, abs, calves, and biceps, femoris. Squats not only sculpt your physique, but also promote anabolic growth throughout the body, enhancing smaller muscle groups alongside the target areas. Furthermore, squats naturally boost your testosterone levels, paving the way for increased strength and accelerated muscle development. Beyond muscle building, squats fortify your cardiovascular system, enhance blood circulation, and strengthen your ligaments, offering a holistic approach to physical fitness. Embrace squats and witness a transformation in your body's shape and capabilities. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Next, we dive into push-ups, a classic move that epitomizes bodyweight strength training. This versatile exercise doesn't need equipment, yet it profoundly impacts your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even engages your core and lower back as stabilizers. Regular push-ups fortify your upper body, elevate endurance, and facilitate muscle mass growth. Besides physical strength, push-ups contribute to bone strengthening, joint mobility, immune system enhancement, metabolic acceleration, and posture correction. Whether you're looking to shed excess weight or sculpt a robust upper body, push-ups are your go-to exercise. Integrate them into your daily workout and experience a remarkable improvement in your health and physique. Exercise 3. Lunges. Lunges are your secret weapon for developing powerful buttocks and thigh muscles, particularly targeting the quadriceps. Whether performed with body weight alone or amplified with dumbbells, lunges are instrumental in shaping strong, sculpted legs. Beyond aesthetics, lunges fortify a plethora of stabilizing muscles, providing you with enhanced stability and paving the way for greater achievements in fundamental exercises. As lunges enhance muscle elasticity, you'll notice an increase in your overall flexibility. The beauty of lunges lies in their simplicity and versatility. Execute them anywhere, anytime, and watch your lower body transform. Exercise 4. Burpees. Burpees, the dynamic blend of push-ups and jumping, are a high-intensity exercise that redefines your workout regime. This full-body workout accelerates your metabolism to its peak, promoting rapid fat loss while simultaneously strengthening your muscles. Burpees target major groups that support your spine, shaping a toned body, enhancing spinal health, boosting cardiovascular and respiratory functions, and improving your body's coordination and endurance. Adopt burpees into your daily routine to challenge every muscle and unveil a lean, agile, and resilient physique. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks. Finally, let's talk about jumping jacks, a fun, high-energy cardio exercise that anyone can start with minimal effort. Perfect as a warm-up or a standalone workout, jumping jacks ignite your heart rate, enhance blood circulation, and strengthen your cardiovascular system. As an added bonus, they require no special equipment and can be performed in the comfort of your home. Jumping jacks work not just your legs and arms, but also engage your abdominal muscles. They're excellent for shedding pounds, improving endurance, and setting the stage for more demanding workouts. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your daily routine promises not just a physical transformation, but a boost in confidence and health within just 4 weeks. Remember, consistency is key. Challenge yourself daily with squats, push-ups, lunges, burpees, and jumping jacks, and watch as your body morphs into its best version. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing fitness tips. Embark on this journey, commit to these exercises, and remember, building your anatomy isn't just an option. It's the pathway to a stronger, healthier you. Catch you in the next video.